Hey, leave me alone. You better shoot in the back.
Not gonna do that. Do you know why we're here?
Because I'm having flashbacks.
I am here to try to help you. Please. And stand in the shade. Your feet are hot. Stand in the shade. I'm not coming near you. I'm waiting for you to be ready for me to come. There's a lot of things going on.
There's a lot of going on.
But right now, you and me are all that matter. I can give you an ice cold water. Hey, look, I'm backing up. It's right there.
Get my mother, please. And then we'll talk, please.
Your mother asked me to come and help you and give you a ride.
You're having a bad week.
That happens. That happens to all of us.
I don't like people.
And you know what's good? That you and I can sit here and talk about it. Nobody's tackling you. Stop. Look at me.
Why
Look.
do you guys believe in them?
Look at me. Look at me.
What did I do so wrong?
I'm going to get you water.
Oh,
I'm going to get you water.
Hey, look.
Stop.
What?
Stop. Stop.
Look.
Look. Hey, it's okay. It's okay.
I had no where to go, and I'm on SSDI. I finally
Hey,
got paid.
you're starting to go in the right direction for what